Welcome to the lecture on Engineering Statistics and Linear Algebra. In this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about ergodic process. So before learning about ergodic process, we'll discuss about ensemble average and time averages. So ensemble average is an average taken across the process. So such averages are taken at some fixed time instant. So that is given by mu x of t is equal to exploitation of x of t, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x into f of x of t as a function of x into dx. And the autocorrelation of the two time intervals t1 and t2 is given by r x of t1 comma t2 is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x1, x2, f of x1 t1, x of t2 as a function of x1 comma x2 dx1 dx2. The above two averages are taken across the ensembles at a particular time instant. So next is time average. So these are averages taken along that time. So time is given by mu x of t is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration minus t2 plus t x of t dt. Alternatively, we can use a formula mu x of t is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 x of t dt. So the mean value is evaluated over the period minus t less than or equal to t less than or equal to plus t here. The time averaged autocorrelation function. The autocorrelation function along the process is denoted by the symbol Rx of tau comma t. So it is defined by Rx of tau comma t is equal to 1 by 2t integration minus t2 plus t x of t plus tau dt. Alternatively, we can use Rx of tau comma t is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 x of t plus tau into dt. So now the actual concept, ergodic process. A random process is called ergodic process if time average are equal to the ensemble average. So then only we can say the random process is an ergodic process. So the symbol is mu x of t must be equal to mean of x of capital T, and the ACF Rx of t1 comma t2 must be equal to Rx of tau comma t. So then only we can say the random process is an ergodic process. Example, for the random process x of t is equal to a cos omega ct plus theta, where a and omega c are constant. Theta is a random variable which is uniformly distributed between plus or minus pi. So this process is an ergodic process. So solution. So given x of t is equal to what? A cos omega ct plus theta. So the formula for autocorrelation function in the case of ergodic process is given by Rx of t comma tau is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 x of t plus tau dt. So in the place of x of t, replace the given equation. So I'll be getting what? Limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 a cos omega ct plus theta a cos omega c t plus tau plus theta into d theta. So limit t tends to infinity. So multiplying a, I'll be getting a square. I'm taking a square outside. I'll be getting a square by 2. Limit minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Cos of omega ct plus theta plus omega c tau. Cos of omega c plus t plus theta into dt. I got it. So expanding that equation by using cos A cos B formula, I'll be getting the equation like a square limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 1 by 2 cos of 2 omega ct plus 2 theta plus omega ct dt plus cos of omega c tau dt. So on expanding the integral, I'll be getting a square by 2 limit t tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 cos of omega c 2t plus tau plus 2 theta into dt plus integration minus infinity to plus infinity cos of omega c tau into dt. So on integrating, the cos function between these limits will be equal to 0. So expanding this one, I'll be getting what? A square by 2 limit t tends to infinity 1 by t 0 plus cos omega c tau is a constant. So I'll be getting only t variable here between the limits minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. So on applying the limit, I'll be getting what? A square by 2 limit t tends to infinity 1 by t cos omega c tau t by 2 minus of minus t by 2. I got it. On expanding that further, I'll be getting the equation like a square by 2 limit t tends to infinity 1 by t cos omega c tau into capital T. T gets cancelled. The value is a square by 2 into cos omega c tau. I got it. Actually, we have the value of Rx of tau is equal to a square by 2 into cos omega c tau. So hence both are equal now. I can conclude like Rx of t comma tau will be equal to Rx of tau. So hence the process is an ergodic process. One more example, assume that the data in the following table are obtained from windowed simple function and also obtained from ergodic random process. So estimate the autocorrelation function for tau is equal to 0, 2 and 4 meters where delta t is given by 2 meters. So the value of x of t is given like 1.5, 2.1, 1.0, 2.2, minus 1.6, minus 2.0, 2.5, 2.5, 1.6, minus 1.8. And k is given like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the value of capital N will be 10 here. So since I'm having n data here, 10 data here, the value of N will be equal to 10. So take the formula first. So the ACF for the ergodic process is given by Rx of tau is equal to 1 by capital N delta T. The summation k from 0 to n minus 1 minus tau x of t as a k delta t into x of t k delta t plus tau into delta t for all tau is greater than or equal to 0. So where delta t is a sampling interval. So given that tau is equal to 0 to 4 meters and delta t is given by 2 meters. So that R of x of 0. So at tau is equal to the first case, at tau is equal to 0, I'll be getting what? R x of 0 is equal to 1 by, and n is given by 10 here, 10 into 2, summation k from 0 to 10 minus 1 minus 0, x of k delta t, x of t k delta t plus 0 into 2 meters. I got it. On simplify this, I'll be getting what? 1 by 10, summation k from 0 to 9, x of t k delta t, x of t k delta t. I got it. So by cancelling this 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, I got 1 by 10 only directly. So now expand the summation till k is equal to 9. So and taking all the values, k delta t values and also with the values of 1 by 10 also. On simplifying this, I'll be getting the equation like 3.736. I got it. So now the next case is I'm going to replace the value of tau is equal to 2 meters. So if I replace tau is equal to 2 here, I'll be getting what the equation like Rx of 2 is equal to 1 by 10 into 2 meters, summation k from 0 to 10 minus 1 minus 1, x of tau k delta t, x of tau k delta t plus 1 into 2 meters. I got it. So 1 by 10 summation k from 0 to 8, I got it here, x of tau k delta t, x of tau k delta t plus 1, I got it. So now on simplifying this equation by replacing all the values of the x of t of k delta t and all, I will get the equation like the value of the Rx of 2 meters will be equal to 0.700. I got it. So next the last case is third iteration, that is Rx of 4 meters. I'm going to replace the value of tau is equal to 4 here. So if I replace that value in the formula, I'll be getting what the 1 by 10 into 2 meters summation k from 0 to 10 minus 1 minus 2 x of t of k delta t, x of t of k delta t plus 2 into delta t. I got it. So on replacing all the values delta t and all, the equation is like 1 by 10 delta t summation k from 0 to 7 x of t k delta t, x of t k delta t plus 2 into delta t. I got it. So on simplifying this, I'll be getting the value minus 0.938 is the required solution. Thank you.